Honorable Minister, whether it is the amount that is being spent is on the association, sport association, or on the athletes. As far as the question is concerned, I got the information and knowledge that it has been spent on
Okay, we now come to next question, number 62, raised by Rupert Moman. Saklir Waziri, Minister in charge, to reply, please.
Honorable Speaker, sir, reply to start question number 62. A, sir, 4 crores 16 lakhs 64,000. B, sir, number 1 crore 86 lakhs 50,000. Number 2, 67 lakhs 72,000. And number 3, 1 crore 62 lakhs 42,000.
Mr. Rupert Moman, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. As we are aware that sports is a very important part for this generation, and it is necessary to have a proper training. Sir, through you, I thank Minister in charge, and I don't have any further question. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, Prester will.
Thank you,
Banyam.
Speaker, sir. I would like to know from the Minister in charge Sports and Youth Affairs. Here it is shown distribution of funds region-wise. Can he provide district-wise with regards to the distribution of funds?
Mr. Speaker, sir, the distribution of funds district-wise in Khasi Hills, sir, in East Khasi Hills, it's 82 lakhs 2,000. In West Khasi Hills, sir, it's 23 lakhs 54,000. In Southwest Khasi Hills, sir, it's 30 lakhs 42,000. In East and West Khasi Hills, sir, it's 20 lakhs 10,000. In Riboy district, sir, it's 30 lakhs 42,000, which accumulates to 1 crore 86 lakhs 50,000. Whereas in the Garo Hills region, sir, in East Garo Hills, it's 26 lakhs 98,000. In North Garo Hills, it's 26 lakhs 98,000. In West Garo Hills, it's 40 lakhs 74,000. In South Garo Hills, it's 30 lakhs 42,000. In Southwest Garo Hills, it's 37 lakhs 30,000, which accumulates to 1 crore 62 lakhs 42,000. Whereas in Jantia Hills, sir, in East Jantia Hills, it's 33 lakhs 86,000. In West Jantia Hills, it's 33 lakhs 86,000, which comes to 67 lakhs 72,000, sir.
Thank you. And may I add another question? With regards to the athletes, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of sports how many athletes have been taken in and what are the different disciplines?
Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, say how many athletes have been taken in, it's a very large number, sir. Because these funds has been distributed to all the associations, or be it the sports club as well, sir. So all these athletes are in that association, and so to say that individual, like, I mean in particular how many athletes, so it's a huge number, sir, but these funds are allocated to all the associations as well, so they can train the athletes.
So may I know from the Honorable Minister whether it is the amount that is being spent is on the association, sport association, or on the athletes? As far as the question is concerned, I got the information and knowledge that it has been spent on the athletes.
Honorable Speaker, sir, sir, it is indirectly spent to the athletes, but directly given to the associations. But if the Honorable Member wants, we have a program, sir, that we directly spend for the athletes as well, which is totally a different program, which we call the elite program. So that, sir, we spend directly to the athletes. But this, in particular, this breakup of the funds that we've spent is that we spend indirectly to the athletes, but through the association, sir.
Yes, Baden Asomit.
Sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister whether the government is providing any incentive to the athletes?
Yes, sir, we are providing, sir.
May I know the amount that the government is giving to the athletes?
Sir, I do not have the information with me right now. So the exact figure, sir, for that I require notice.